Okay, so this is the power supply that we are going to use for experiments. You can see that a minor arrangement have been made over here, so that we are basically establishing a common ground connection, right, by connecting our jumper wire here, right. So because we are trying to set one part to become positive 15 and the other part as our negative 15 input, so that's why this kind of arrangement can be made in order to power up our op-amp. Okay, so in terms of the tracking part in the middle here, if we are pressing this button, okay, that means we are making both of the control knob in series. So that means we can only change by one side, alright, because now it is considered in series. So by controlling the master, we can obtain both values straight away, right. But let's say if you choose to use independent, then it means that you have to change accordingly, one by one. It doesn't matter much, okay, as long as we are basically obtaining the value that we wish, that is 15 volt, right. It is also good to ensure that the thing is in check, right, meaning that once you press on the output, now your power supply is ready to be used. Okay, you just need to check whether the output coming from your power supply is basically positive and also negative 15. How are you going to check? You just use your multimeter, right, your multimeter. So let's say now we are checking for positive 15. You just place your positive probe to the positive cable that goes into your circuits, right, and the other part is basically your negative probe, right. So your negative probe, you just place it to the ground, right, to the ground. So now it appears that I'm having my positive 15 coming into my circuits here. Okay, so how are you going to check your minus 15? So you just change the probe, right, goes to your negative 15. Okay, and there you go, right, you have your minus 15 volt, minus 15 volt. Okay,